Hi everybody, it's Charlie from Workshop Solutions again here. This is a new Smart Charge 195. Just show you some of the different things we've got on here. We've got a printer here, we can print every operation. Digital display panel. You notice there's no taps on the unit because the unit will know if there's pressure. On the side of the unit we've got a steel tray here. All the bottles are inside because in the past other machines have been made to put the bottles right on the outside and they get hit off on the ramp, etc. I'll just open it and show you. On the right hand side we've got a bottle for dye. In the middle we've got new oil, and on the left hand side we've got waste oil. Just going to show you a few functions. First of all, press the I button and it'll tell you how much refrigerant is in the unit. 6,540 grams. Gives you the date and time. Exit from there. Press the I button once. Full service. Press it again. It warns you, verify the oil and the dye are full up on the side and the amount of refrigerant you want. Now you can get this from the Autodata wall chart, or you can get it from the internal memory, which I'll show you in a minute. So just turn to how much gas you want, very easy. Enter. High port, low port, just the low port, just the high port. Enter. Registration number of the vehicle. Just for now we'll go AAA GAP 000. You don't have to put this in. Now you can see the green light flashing here. Press start. Confirm by pressing start. Start in progress. Now straight away it's gone into vacuum because there was no gas in the machine because we're doing a demonstration, and it's gone to 15-minute timer. Right, one other way of doing it, you can turn it to the right. AC systems data. This is supplied through license through Autodata. So you can pick the vehicle. You've got trucks as well. So just say we go, I don't know, Ford KA, Ford 2, Fiesta Classic, Fiesta, Fusion, goes on and on. We'll just pick Focus. Is it this one? Is it this one? Just say yes. Tells you the type of oil to put in, automatically picks up the right charge amount. All we need to do now is press start and it will finish the job off. Right, just to show you a few more things, press the button down. Smart service. This service is used only if the vehicle has refrigerant. So we can enter again. Set the quantity of the gas. High port, low port, or both. Registration number or not. Enter. Confirm by start. In this situation, what will happen is we've got the timer here, 15 minutes. We'll just stop for now. It looks at the amount of time it takes to take the gas out. It knows how much gas you've taken out of the vehicle, and it knows how quickly it goes down to 1 millibar of vacuum. It uses a scale that we've programmed to the machine to determine whether the dryer is dry. If the dryer is dry, it will reduce the vacuum time. It automatically puts the dye and the oil in, and any oil that's come out the vehicle will automatically put that back in because all three bottles are connected to the main scales function on the machine. Very simple to use. One more option you got here is new oil bottle change. Now this is for hybrid vehicles You must be very careful if you try to do an electric hybrid vehicle with your machine. You cannot afford to mix any PAG oil with the oil in electronic compressor. It will contaminate it and can cause electrical faults. So press the button down, replace the bottle, install the joint. It installs a joint between the HP and the LP connector, and you can confirm by start. What it does, it flushes the machine with liquid refrigerant to wash any PAG from the couplings, the hoses and the internal valve block. After that you can connect to your machine, your unit, carry out a full recovery and charge the hybrid vehicle. Afterwards reverse this process, ready to go back to normal vehicles. One more section for technicians out there: advanced programs. We can just recover, we can just vacuum, we can just charge, we can recover and vacuum, recover AC system charge, vacuum and AC system charge, recover, vacuum, AC system charge. If we enter this one, we can actually change the amount of time now. Whatever we want to change here, we can change. Vacuum time, if we want to do half an hour, we can do what we like. One more option here for yourselves: if you've got a small workshop and you want to utilize the space you've got, you can go here. We can fit a 5-meter hose set to it, and you can do the air conditioning while the car is up in the air and you're changing the oil or looking at the back brake shoes, etc., etc. This here is personal settings. Date and time you can set, company name you can set, and then we can actually go into personal settings. In personal settings you can turn things off, like if you don't want to fit any dye, you don't have to fit it. So you can personalize the machine to yourself. Now what this machine will do, will print every time you finish the job if you want it to, and you can print more than one copy. The idea of this is to protect the technician, so he knows what vehicles he's done, how much gas he's used, how much oil he's used, and also keeps a record for the F-gas. You can press a button on here and get the last 11 months gas, oil in or out of the unit. People ask me, how do we get the gas into the machine? It's easy. Turn it to a vessel charge, press the button down. It tells you connect the HP hose to the external tank, open the valve on the liquid side, confirm, set the amount of gas you want to put into the machine. You can put up to 20 kilos in this bottle, but we recommend 10 to 12 is more than enough. It's easy as that. Well, thank you for looking at this video. If you'd like a demonstration, just contact us. We can do it anywhere in the UK. We're quite happy to help you. Thank you very much, and goodbye to you all.